told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals I'm in my living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never
The
seen
Rolls-Royce
clearer.
Phantom
I don't really
V
think
is a
anyone can
large
save me, and
four-door
honestly, I'm not
limousine
really sure I
produced
want
by
saving. I'd like
Rolls-Royce
to be
Limited
my own
from
worst enemy. There's no
1959
risk if
to
you don't try at anything.
1968.
So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and
Based
go
on
and
the
get an
Silver
X-ray.
Cloud 2,
What's wrong with
it
me? I
shared a
just feel
V8
weight
engine
pushing on my
and
chest
General
and it's
Motors
squeezing out something
Hydra-Matic
deep.
automatic
Better change my
gearbox
mindset,
with that
meditate.
model.
It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Rolls-Royce assembled the car's chassis and drivetrains with bodies made to standard designs by coachbuilders Park Ward and James Young.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no.
The engine was a 6,230cc 90-degree V8 with twin SU carburetors, coupled to a 4-speed automatic transmission. The car had massive drum brakes and a wheelbase of 3,683 millimeters. Power-assisted steering was standard.
So many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need.
Body and chassis, body style, 4-door set and layout, FR layout related, Silver Cloud 2.
Late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Manufacturer by Rolls-Royce Production, 1,959 minus 1,968,832. Produced assembly crew, England engine and chassis designer. Park Ward for model number 980 or James Young for model number 2003. Dimensions: wheelbase 144 in 3, 6.581 length 238 in 6, 045 width 79 in 2, 07 height 69 in 1, 753 curb weight 5,600 lb2, 540 gg. A shallow gear gave a walking speed which was suitable for ceremonies. Citation needed from 1963 onward. The Silver Cloud III-7 more powerful engine and new front wings, incorporating the latter's quad headlamps were fitted.